Hello guys, welcome back to the new video guys at my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys Bluetooth reset setting. Friends we want to reset guys your Infinix phone with Bluetooth settings. So how can you reset? Today friends I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. Friends now let's see how can we reset Infinix phone Bluetooth setting. Friends first of all open your phone setting to reset. After on phone setting guys you can see the stuff setting in your Infinix phone device. So how to reset it? Friends click on guys your last one guys phone system setting and friends click on the reset option. Friends you can see reset guys Bluetooth setting guys. You can see guys Bluetooth setting we will reset from here. So I wait, please wait, and friends you can see setting has been reset. So friends come back. So friends you can use guys your Infinix phone guys Bluetooth setting guys. So fam, we will on guys first of all Bluetooth setting guys. You can see guys Infinix on Bluetooth guys. You can on and you can off from here, and you can connect any device from here after reset. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. I hope you understood how to reset Infinix on Bluetooth setting. Bye guys.